Hello traders, you can download a free Forex robot for MT4 and MT5 that has lots of indicators and candlestick patterns built in by using the link in the description below. So in this video, I am reviewing the Ichimoku Power EA for MT4, currently available on the MQL5 Marketplace. And starting with the marketplace page, we can see that this expert advisor is priced at 50 US dollars with a 1 month rental option available for 30 US dollars. The developer also mentions a launch promotion where the price increases by $50 after every 5 buys, with a final target price of 199 US dollars. Now, looking through the description, the main concept behind this EA is quite straightforward. According to the developer, the system is built exclusively around the Ichimoku indicator. In fact, the description specifically states that the strategy is based on the original thinking behind the Ichimoku indicator, and that the EA has not been optimized using external optimization tools. One detail I find interesting is that the EA includes two separate Ichimoku configurations. Rather than using a single setup for every situation, the developer has created one configuration for the 4-hour time frame and another for the 1-hour time frame. The description also makes it clear that these settings are based on the developer's understanding of how Ichimoku works rather than optimization results. So in terms of supported markets, the recommended symbol listed here is NAS 100. For time frame recommendations, the developer suggests using either the 1-hour or the 4-hour chart. Moving down to the setup instructions, the process appears relatively simple. For quick setup, the recommendation is to use strategy 1 on the 4-hour time frame and strategy 2 on the 1-hour time frame. So for traders running multiple charts, the developer advises using only one strategy per chart and changing the magic number accordingly. The EA also includes an auto lot option, which can be enabled if desired, along with a minimum equity setting that can be used as an account protection feature according to the description. Now let us move over to the historical backtest results. When reviewing historical testing performance, I always prefer looking beyond the final numbers and focusing on how the strategy behaved throughout the test period. Okay, since the EA is specifically built around Ichimoku, the historical chart activity can help us evaluate how the system responded to different market conditions on the recommended NAS 100 instrument and the suggested time frames. Okay, but let's first of all just look at what we have here. This is for the 1-hour setting 2, 0.1 lot on NAS 100. This is for 4-hour time frame setting 1, 0.1 lot NAS 100. Let's head over to our strategy tester now. So I tested the Ichimoku Power on US Tech 100, which is also NAS 100, on the 4-hour time frame. I'm using the every tick modeling, and we are testing over the past 3 months. All right. So here I can see that for my initial deposit of $10,000, there seemed to be no trade taken. Okay. It's not reached from the least time frame. All right. This might have something to do with the settings. So let's try the H1 time frame. Okay. Meanwhile, I'm also just going to turn on the visuals as well so that we can see how the EA looks in action. So when reviewing historical, testing performance, um, it is useful to observe where trades were initiated, how positions were managed, and whether the behavior appears consistent throughout the testing period. Now, since the marketplace information only confirms that the strategy is based entirely on Ichimoku, I won't speculate beyond what has been provided by the developer, but I'll still recommend running longer term testing yourself as well so that you can get a more comprehensive understanding of how the EA behaves across different market conditions and market cycles. All right. But then when you get your historical backtest results overall, it is important to remember that historical testing performance is not a guarantee of future results. Performance can vary depending on risk settings, lot sizing, broker execution, spread conditions, slippage, market volatility, and how the EA is configured and optimized by the user. All right. So let's see if skipping this is going to work. So overall, the Ichimoku Power EA offers a focused approach built entirely around a single indicator with separate configurations for the 1 hour and the 4 hour time frames on NAS 100. So if you are interested in Ichimoku based automated trading, then this might be one expert advisor worth testing further in both the strategy tester and a demo environment before considering live use. So if you're interested in the EA, you might want to test it over maybe a year, 2 years, or even 3 years or more so that you can capture a wider range of market conditions before deciding if the EA fits your expectations. All right. So if you found any value in this video, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on your notifications for more valuable trading content. In the meantime, thank you for watching. I just saw here spread too high, won't trade. So the EA seems to also be considering spread, and if the spread is beyond the permitted spread limits, the EA will likely not execute trades. So thank you for watching once again, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video.